This is how to add a free glitch title effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Learn passive income concepts, click the link down below. Simply put, if you want to add an effect or a glitch on your video timeline, boom, 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 there's a couple different ways you can do so. Add an in and out point on the timeline. Click T on your keyboard underneath the program window. Drag and hold to add text. You can adjust your text accordingly, or if you want, you can follow this free tutorial and we're going to show you how you can simply put, as you can see here, make sure your text is cut, and then you want to duplicate this to create a free RGB effect. Click and hold down Alt and move your mouse up. As you can see, it duplicated the text. Do this one more time. So now we have 3 video layers. Go to the top left hand screen or go to Effects, type in RGB. You want to drag color balance RGB on each of the texts. Underneath effects control, make sure that color balance is selected and click on your first one. You can move red to the left. See how it turns color green? Do the same thing with the other text layer. You can move green and see how it turns color red. And if you move this, you should see you have a free text or glitch effect. This is the before. Boom, boom, boom. And this is the after. Boom.